If you make over $400,000 per year, you're sick of losing the majority of it to tax, and you still haven't bought any real estate to offset your tax burden, shame on you. It is time for you to look in the mirror and have an honest dialogue with yourself, then your spouse, and then your kids on why you aren't doing this. Because here is your reality. If your income is over $400,000 per year, you're looking at around a $120,000 to $150,000 annual tax bill. That, my friend, is the equivalent of $300 to $400 per day. So imagine yourself driving home from work every single day, stopping off at the Apple Store and buying an iPad mini. That is you buying this $300 to $400 device, taking it home and smashing it to bits in front of your spouse and your kids. And if you're closer to $650,000 to $1 million per year, that tax bill is closer to $200,000 to $350,000, which is the equivalent of almost $600 to $1,000 per day. So imagine buying at the Apple Store a MacBook Air, taking it home and smashing it in front of your wife and your kids, because that is exactly what you are doing by not taking action. Your cost of inaction is actually crippling the family. So what do? You have a couple options. You can get into long-term rentals. Spoiler alert, don't do it. There is effectively no bonus depreciation and tax advantages to take going that route. The next route would be to do short-term rentals. Now, there are two options within this one. You can do it on your own, or you can do it with another company, a wholesaler, or maybe find a local agent. The reality is, you've been saying to yourself that you're going to do it on your own for years. Look at your tax returns. Did you do it last year? Did you make any effort in this first month of this year to do anything? The reality is, my friend, you are a high dollar per hour guy in your role at your company doing whatever it is that you do well. Real estate is not your thing. The good news is, it's our thing. Our company, My BnB Accelerator, helps hundreds of clients find low money down, seller finance, short-term rental Airbnb properties that are already furnished, already live as short-term rentals, and as close to turnkey as you can possibly get. We negotiate low money down deals with those sellers to stretch your dollar even further for the purpose of finding good Airbnb properties that are already cash flowing and buying them for as low money down as possible and getting the highest net effective tax savings by buying these properties and getting bonus depreciation this year. So in 2025, I invite you to wake up, look in the mirror, have the dialogue with yourself. You're not doing this on your own. You haven't done it on your own. You need help. Whether you work with our company or somebody else does not matter, but you do need to click the button somewhere around this video, at least look at what we do, all the education we have laid out. You can find our YouTube channel. You will see that there is no other company who breaks down A to Z how all of this stuff works. Click the link somewhere around this video and let's see if we can actually help.